Hello, Darren here. Welcome to the Remote Hive. On this channel, I talk about all aspects of remote working, including helping you find a remote job and also acquire freelance clients. If that is something that you are interested in, please do hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon so that you do not miss any future videos. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 5 tips to help you get started in freelancing. Now, this is aimed at the beginners. It's aimed at those people that are currently working 9 to 5 in an office and you want to escape and build your own freelance business so that you have more freedom and flexibility in life. Tip number 1 is to think about your skills and experience. What could you package together that is going to be useful for a business owner? What can you offer them? What value could you offer them with your skills and experience? It's time to get that pad of paper, as I said, and that pencil or pen, and write down your skills and experience and think about what type of work you actually enjoy doing, because that is just so important. As a freelancer, you have to enjoy the work that you do. Once you have a list of all of your skills, you might be able to come up with some ideas on the types of services that you can offer business owners. I think the mistake that a lot of freelancers make is they focus on one particular skill. It might be graphic design or copywriting. Nowadays, businesses are not just wanting one particular service, they're wanting somebody who is multi-skilled. So definitely think about that. I feel it's so important. And also think about the industry and niche, because this again is another big mistake that a lot of freelancers make. They try and deal with every single industry, and it's just not possible. What you want to be is the expert, the go-to person in a given industry and niche. Tip number 2 is creating your home, your hub, where people come to find out more about you, the services that you offer, and also build that trust with the content that you are creating to showcase your skills and experience. And obviously, you want testimonials in that home. You also want people to be able to contact you easily. A website does all of that perfectly, but I realise not everybody has the skills or the money to have a website being built. So think about where your target audience is active online. Are they on LinkedIn? Are they on Facebook or here on YouTube? You can create content where your audience is, attract them, give them a clear call to action where they can find out more information about you and the services that you offer. Tip number 3, the quick win is really signing up with a freelance platform like Upwork or People Per Hour or Fiverr. But in my personal opinion, if you are from the UK or the USA or Australia, then you are going to really struggle to get the rate of pay that you want to be paid as a freelancer. The truth is, you are competing against people all over the world, and you've got people in Eastern Europe and Southeast Asia who are competing against those projects with you, and their rate of pay, let's be honest, is going to be much lower than yours. But if you want a quick win, a quick way to get clients, to get some experience under your belt, then these places are definitely worth checking out. Spend some time to learn about these platforms, how they rank people's profiles and how they rank jobs and how you can bid on that work. It's definitely worth spending some time doing the research and also putting a lot of time and effort into your profile, because that's going to help you stand out. Tip number 4. Let's be honest, if you want to have a freelance business for the long term, then you are going to have to put in a lot of time and effort. What I would do to start out, if you're not wanting to go on those freelance platforms, or even whilst you're working on those freelance platforms, create a power list of 10 business owners that you would love to work for. People that you would love to see in your portfolio and testimonials, and start to find out where those people are active online. Start to build relationships with people. ask and answer questions when they post content. One great place to do this is LinkedIn. Most business owners are there. They're trying to build their own audience. And if you are in that community that they are in, and you are going to stand out, and it's going to increase the chances of you acquiring freelance work in the future when you've built that relationship, when that person knows who you are. Now, I'm not suggesting that you should spam 10 people and send an email or a message on social media. Just get involved in the content that they are creating. It really does work, and I know this because it's worked for myself. So spend some time networking and build that power list. I feel tip number 5 is actually the most important. So if you've watched the video to this point, what I'm going to tell you now is going to help you stand out amongst any other freelancer, because content marketing is so undervalued. Most freelancers do not realize how powerful content can be to attract your target audience. At this point, if you've put the time and effort in, you should know who your target audience is. You should be focusing on a specific niche and industry, and also you've created a package of services that are going to help business owners save time and money, but also deal with the challenges and pain points that they have. If you've done all of that, the next stage, the content, is just going to give you so much success. Let me explain. Within your content, what you need to give them are small wins. Basically, advice and tips that's going to help them get started solving a problem that they have. Giving people small wins helps build their trust to the point that when they've built enough trust in that person, they will hire them. You will be hired for the work, for the experience that you have. I'm going to go into much more detail on networking and content marketing in future videos, because I feel in the 21st century, this is where freelance businesses should be focusing their time. Obviously, searching for clients is so important, and there's lots of ways you can do that as well, away from networking and content, and we'll also go into that in future videos as well. I hope you have found this video useful. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up, a like, please share the video and subscribe and click that bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future videos like this. Until next time, keep safe and take action.